I just had to come on because I'm so excited. My pre-order package just came in from Stampin' Up, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing video to show you and share it with you. So hold on while I flip the camera and I'll start showing you all the goodies. So UPS just came and delivered my boxes. All right. Oh my gosh. These are the new ink colors. I can't wait to show you. These is our 12 by 12 inch paper, and it's an assorted pack of the new 2020 to 2022 ink colors. This is Bumblebee, Cider. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. Just Jade. Gorgeous. Magenta Madness. Beautiful. Oh my God. It's so bright. And Misty Moonlight, I believe that is. Now I wanted to show you because some of you might be familiar with, let's say, Melon Mambo. I wanted to show you a comparison. So this is Melon Mambo and this is Magenta Madness. They're so beautiful. Let me just put them out again so you can see them. These are the new ink colors. I can't wait to start using them. Okay, let's open up the next box. I got some items on pre-order. Of course, I couldn't get everything, but I'm so excited to share what I have ordered with you. Wait till you see this one. So exciting. It's part of a suite. And this is all part in the new catalog. And I can show you the cover, but I cannot show you what's on the inside. And if you're interested in pre-order or being the first to get items before this catalog goes live on June 3rd, contact me and you can order a starter kit, which entitles you to 20% discount. Now, starter kit, you pay $99 and you get $125 worth of product, no shipping, plus you get a paper pumpkin and you get 20% ongoing discount. You can't beat that. It's the best value. This is called Flowers for Every Season Suite. Look at this. How exciting. You get 2 stamp sets. One is Jars of Flower and Celebrate Sunflowers. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. But wait, there's more in the suite. Look at this. It's a jar stamp. Oh my God, how exciting is this? Look at that. Can you see? It's so cool. I love punches. Okay, what else is in here? Flower for Every Season designer series paper. Look at this. Oh, I love the colors. This goes with the new ink colors. Can you see? I'll show you this side. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that. I love it. You know me, I love my florals. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Oh, I'm in love. I can't wait to start playing with this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Some stripes. And then there's 2 sides to it. Oh my God, I think I'm in love. Look at this. Look at these beautiful, beautiful colors. Bright and vibrant. Oh gosh, I think I love every one. This one's calling me. Oh my goodness. This is designer series paper. Let's see what else is in this suite. We have Flowers for Every Season, Memories and More. If anybody's ever gotten the Memories and More, this is such a great card pack. Let's see. Let's open it and see what's in here. These are beautiful. You can make cards with this. This would be good for scrapbook layouts. Beautiful cards. You can stamp. If you don't want to stamp, you can pick the ones that have sayings on it. Oh, look at this. Basic Gray, Madness Magenta. Don't you think that would look so gorgeous together? I think that's just Jade, but oh my goodness, gorgeous. And then there's the bigger sizes. Oh, look at this. They even have like stickers. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Oh, this is going to be so hard to choose what I want to make. Always remember I love you. Oh, these are gorgeous. Let's see what else I have. Mason jar shaker domes. Check this out. Oh, look how cute they are. So you can make a shaker card. And here's the dome. Let me just pull this out, right? And then you can fill this with, let's see, what's in here? Flowers for every season gems. Look at these beautiful gems. Let me see if I could open this without spilling it. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That would look at how nice that would look. Oh, I can't wait. Ribbon. Of course, you have to have ribbon. Flowers for every season ribbon combo pack. Now, this suite is so great. For everything that I'm showing you is all included. It has a separate item number so that you don't have to write every single item number. Now, it comes with this white, looks like a Just Jade gingham, and some like twine with silver. I don't know if you can see that. You see that? Oh, gorgeous. Comes with the ribbon. Again, how beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Like that with that, or I kind of like that with the blue. This one. Oh my gosh. How about with the cinnamon cider, I think it's called. Cinnamon cider. But look, it'll go with the blue. Gorgeous. Okay. All right. Enough about this flowers for every season. Now, you know, this is one of my favorites. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait. I love sunflowers. Next item. Oh, look at this. This is brass, I think it is. Brass foil sheets. So how exciting is that? And, oh, the one thing that I forgot to show you, the 2022 in color enamel dots. Can't wait. I love this. See, they're a low profile so that it'll mail really nicely. Beautiful. And it matches with all the new colors. The Bumblebee gingham ribbon. There's the 2022 in color designer series paper. So you have some nice circles and lines and some words, and you flip it over and there's the other side. Oh, how gorgeous. Look at this. Some texture looking stuff. Memories and more. Flowers for every season. I don't know how this slipped by. Memories and more cards and envelopes. I am looking forward to using this. This is an actual, let's see how many are in here. This has quantity 10 cards and envelopes. And I think that the size is 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. So it's a little bigger than what our normal card size, the 5 1/2 by 4 1/4 front. And this is meant to go with, see if I can get this open, to go with the Memories and More cards that I just showed you. Let me see if I can find them. And here they are. So here are the card bases, and they're scored, and they're white on the inside. And then these Memories and More cards will fit. These are the larger ones. Oh, look how pretty that looks. Will fit on the front. Or you can fit the smaller cards. Let's see, here's a smaller card. Goes right in here. Okay. Or you could do it that way. And then you can put a sentiment across. And of course, we don't want to forget some beautiful maybe ribbon. This would look nice. Oh, this is going to be fun. So it comes in the new in colors. So you have 1, 2 of each. And the envelopes, look at this. On the inside, they're already decorated. And you know me, I hate naked envelopes. But I think what I would do is when I'm doing this, you might want to stamp something here. Because, hey, why not, right? Okay, so this is the Memories and More. I'm going to see a lot of, maybe some classes going with this Memory and More's pack. I have another ribbon. Oh, look at this one. This is the Misty Moonlight ribbon. Oh, it's so pretty. That is really nice. I'll show you this one. Lovely You. Look at this beautiful stamp set. I love the font on this, how it's a mixed font. Love is what makes us family. Gorgeous. Miles apart, but still in my heart. Oh, wouldn't this one be nice to send? You're my person. Wildly grateful, heartful, just because. Always. Let's cheer you up. Smile. Trust me, you're lovely. This is a great stamp set. Can't wait to play with that. Oh, here's the sunflowers dies. Oh, I know. I am just like a little kid here opening this up. Got that the jars of flowers comes with a punch, but the sunflower stamp set comes with gorgeous die set. Look at this. Oh, that's so pretty. I can't wait. I can't wait to use this. Okay, let's see what else I can show you that I have. I'm going to show you this new punch. I have no idea. I haven't played with it yet, but what it does is it cuts 6 different sizes. I don't know, but I will be doing some stuff with that. And here's my favorite. I love watercoloring. And this has that watercolor look without all the fuss and muss. Blossoms and Bloom. Now this also comes with a die, which I did not get yet. I ordered it after and I realized, oh my gosh, you gotta have it and wait till you see it. Great stamp set. Happy birthday. Sure do miss you. These are so perfect. I like you a lot. Get well soon. Thinking of you. These are great all occasion stamps. So keep an eye out. I will be doing classes, but I won't be starting this stuff from the new catalog until June. That's when it goes live. But as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in buying these products before June 3rd, by all means, join my team, the Stamping Angels. Get your 20% discount and get the starter kit for $99. You can buy so much, and it's a perfect time to do it because have you checked out the retirement list? There are items in there that are up to like 60 or 70% discounted, but it's all while supplies last. So if there's something that you love from the current catalog and it may not be coming over into the new catalog, save so much. Could you imagine all the stuff you'll get at the discounted rate, plus your next order will be 20% off. And anyway, thank you so much for letting me come in and share my special haul here. And I'm looking forward to stamping with you all again real soon. Take care. Bye.